doing, you dumb cat?
Tissue box. Sissy.
You learned your lesson? Oh, she went under the bed.
Oh.
She's still stuck though. Oh, here she comes.
Sissinko. Sissy.
What do I do? Let her learn her lesson. Put it down. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, better now.
Oh, yeah. What happened to you? She was funny. She fell from the nightstand like a potato. No, she has trauma.
Oh.
Poor girl. Yeah, such a dummy.
Let me see her. No.
No.